I'm Tony with Kinsley Power Systems. I'm here with tech support, and I'd like to cover a few things about doing a load test and a load bank test. So let's go take a look. A load test is where we take your facility and transfer that power onto a generator. And then we transfer that power off the generator back onto your facility. The load bank test is a bit of a different test. A load bank test is where we divert your power from your generator into a separate device called a load bank. A load bank is a resistive device that converts that electricity into heat, because we have to burn it off somewhere. First reason to perform a load bank is to know that what that generator is capable of doing. It sets a benchmark. If that generator says it's a 50 kW, we should be able to load bank it at 50 kW. By doing a load bank, we are monitoring that benchmark as it tails off. The second reason why we would perform a load bank is it's real common on a diesel generator. We have what they call wet stacking. Wet stacking is where raw fuel that doesn't get burned in the cylinders makes its way in the exhaust and sticks to the inside of the exhaust. This happens for a few different reasons. One is facilities tend to oversize generators for future expansion. They buy now hoping to expand later. So that generator could sit there for a few years running at around 30% load. Well, a diesel is most efficient at around 80% load, and that's when it's burning all the fuel out of the cylinders. So to run at 3-4 years at 30% load, eventually that raw fuel is going to start sticking to the inside of the exhaust and slowly closes it off. If you aren't performing these load banks like you should every year or every so often, eventually your exhaust will close off and you will lose performance. And when you truly need your generator, it will not be there to perform for you. They do make various different sizes of generators as well as load banks, from a 100 kW load bank all the way up to a 1 megawatt load bank. Whatever your load bank needs are, Kinsley Power can provide that solution for you. If you have not performed a load bank test and you don't know where your benchmark is, we at Kinsley Power Systems highly recommend you do so you're not putting your facility at risk.